So you want to play Rollbit in the US. Well, unfortunately, as you can see, it's not available here, but there are some ways for you to get around that and start playing on the platform if you are located in the United States. So in this video, I'll be giving you the safest step-by-step tutorial on how to play Rollbit in the US so that you don't end up getting your account shut down or your crypto wallet drained by hackers. Because if you do this the wrong way, there is a lot of risk involved. Now, before we dive in, I do want to mention this is damage prevention, so I'm not trying to encourage you to sign up for Rollbit if you shouldn't be, but if you're going to do it anyways, might as well do it the safest way to keep your crypto protected. So we're going to go over the safest way to buy crypto, access Rollbit from the US, and then safely withdraw your earnings once you hopefully win some money on the platform. So diving right into things, the first thing you're going to need to do is acquire some cryptocurrency. Now you've got a whole bunch of options here, but the easiest of which is generally going to be Bitcoin. Now, the best way to buy Bitcoin, in my opinion, is through Gemini. It's one of the largest centralized exchanges in the world at this point. And if you sign up using the link in the description below, you'll get a free $10 of Bitcoin just for signing up. So let's walk through exactly how to do that right now. So if you head down to the description below, you can click on that link. It'll take you to a page that looks something like this. And when you press get started, it'll take you to a page where you can enter in all of your information to get signed up for a Gemini account very, very simply. Now, I'm going to press this button. It's going to log me into my account since I'm already logged in. And you can see that I've already got a little bit of crypto sitting in my account. So the next step is going to be to buy some Bitcoin. Now, how do you do that? Very, very simple process. You'll head on over to market here. You'll go over to Bitcoin, press view details, and then you'll create a buy order. So you press buy, how often, once, how much, we'll just say $100. You'll press continue. And now you're going to be prompted to connect either a bank account or a debit card to your Gemini account so that you can buy some Bitcoin with your fiat currency or US dollars. So you'll go through that process, add your bank or debit card. Bank's going to be a little bit slower with lower fees. Debit card's going to be a little bit faster with higher fees. So totally up to you. Personally, I prefer a bank account. So you'll select your bank account, you'll press confirm, and then that transaction will go through shortly, and that Bitcoin will be added to your Gemini account. So to find that, you'll just go back to your home screen here, go to portfolio, and you can see that we have some Bitcoin sitting in our account. So now the next step is going to be to securely access the Rollbit platform. Now, how you're going to want to do this is by using something called a VPN. This basically allows you to spoof your computer's location to a different country so that different platforms and services don't know that you're actually in the United States. Now, there's a whole bunch of VPNs out there, but you're going to want to choose one that has, one, a good reputation, and two, is very high quality. Because if your VPN is poor quality and leaks your actual location to Rollbit, then they can actually close your account because you're technically violating their terms of service. They can close your account and take all of your crypto. So we definitely don't want that. So you're going to want to use a reputable VPN. My personal choice is Expressvpn. They're one of the best well-known VPNs out there, and the risk of them leaking your location is virtually zero. Now, they also have an offer for our viewers. If you go down in the description below, you can get a free 3 months of Expressvpn just for signing up. So if you head down to the description below and click on that link, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this, where you can press get Expressvpn, and you can see you get your 3 free months and a whole host of other discounts as well. So you can go through this page, enter in all of your information, get all signed up, and then at that point, the next step is going to be to download the Expressvpn Chrome extension. This is the easiest way to use the service to access Rollbit. So back on the Expressvpn homepage here, you'll just go to products, go to Chrome extension, and then download that to your Chrome browser. Then you can see it'll show up right here in your taskbar. You can click on that extension and then set your location to any country you want. Now, totally up to you to pick which country you want to spoof your address from. I'll personally just say Germany for now because I know Germany is an allowed country for Rollbit. So we'll spoof that location. We'll go back to the homepage here, and we can see that we're now able to access the Rollbit Crypto Casino. Now, from here, what you're going to have to do is register for an account. So very simple process. You'll just need your username, an email, and a password. So I'll get all registered, and then I'll meet you back here once I'm all signed in. All right, so now we're all signed in, and the next step is going to be to deposit some of that crypto from Gemini into Rollbit. So we'll just click on this big deposit button up here. We'll say we want to deposit some Bitcoin, and we'll have this address that we can just deposit to very easily. So first, you want to copy that address, head back over to Gemini, go up here to transfer, say withdraw from Gemini. You're going to say Bitcoin is the currency, continue, destination. You'll just paste in that address that we got from Rollbit. And then for amount, you'll just enter however much Bitcoin you want to transfer over to Rollbit. So you can just press max if you want to transfer all of it, or if you want to maybe transfer a smaller amount, you can do that as well. So we'll just transfer over 0.01 Bitcoin, about $400. press continue, and then you just press request withdrawal, and then that crypto will start to transfer from Gemini over to Rollbit. And it'll take a couple of minutes to do this, so you have to be a little bit patient here. But once that deposit has been received, you'll be able to view it if you go to view transactions, and it'll show up right here at the top of your screen. Now from here, you'll be able to play some games, hopefully win some crypto, and when it's time to withdraw, here's exactly how you're going to want to do that. Over here on your little profile icon, you'll click on that. You can see withdrawals shows up right here under deposits. And if you have crypto within your account, you're going to be able to withdraw right from this screen. But as you can see, my crypto has not arrived yet, so I'm not able to withdraw quite yet. But to go through the withdrawal process is very similar to the deposit process. You're going to go back to Gemini. From your screen here, you're going to press transfer. You're going to say deposit into Gemini. Under currency, again, we're going to select Bitcoin. We'll press continue. And then it'll give you this address, which you can then deposit to. So just copy this address, and then on Rollbit, it'll ask for your deposit address. You'll paste that in, and then your crypto will be sent from Rollbit back over to Gemini. And then you can then cash that out for fiat currency if you want to exchange back to USD, or you can just leave it as Bitcoin within Gemini. Totally up to you. Now, that's going to be the safest way to play Rollbit within the US. And again, links to both Gemini and Expressvpn are in the description below for your convenience if you want to get that free Bitcoin and those free 3 months of Expressvpn. Now, if you run into any issues during this process, or you just have any questions about how to actually safely access Rollbit, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.